It was eyeing his sheep. It means wolf. It was eyeing his sheep. Eyeing means the wolf was watching to his sheep. However, it was some distance away and it made no effort to come near. Effort means try. There was some distance between the wolf and the sheep, and the wolf was not trying to come near the sheep. The shepherd at first stood on guard against the wolf. At first, when the shepherd saw the wolf, he guard his sheep as against an enemy. He saw the wolf as the wolf is any enemy of his sheep, and kept a strict watch over its movement. Movement means actions. He saw each and every movement of the wolf, that what the wolf is doing, was it harming to his sheep or not. However, the wolf just stood and gazed at the flock but did not do anything. However, the wolf stood. He was not harming to the flock of sheep. He was standing near the sheep and gazed means look continuously. Look for some time continuously. Okay, it looked the sheep continuously at the flock but did not do anything, but it was not harming to the sheep. When Tim herded means guided the sheep and headed home with his flock. Headed means move back. Okay, headed home with his flock, the wolf quietly followed them at a distance. When the shepherd took the sheep at home back, the wolf was following them quietly. Tim, however, continued to keep an eye on wolf. Still, Tim was taking care of the sheep, and he was strictly keep an eye on the wolf. That wolf was harming his sheep or not. Tim, however, continued to keep an eye on the wolf. This continued for a while. This was continued for some days. Tim would find the wolf waiting at the edge of the field every morning. Now, when Tim took the flock of sheep in the field every day, now he was waiting in the edge means end of the field. On the end of the field, he was waiting the wolf every day, but it made not the slightest effort. Slightest means little or some. It was not making any little effort to seize means grab. Seize means grab or attack. Grab the sheep. It would just stand and watch. The wolf was just standing near the sheep and watching the sheep. It was not trying to harm the sheep. So by and by, Tim let down his guard a bit. By and by means so day and day, as the days passed on, the Tim was he was not protecting the sheep very strictly. He had got so used to seeing the wolf at the edge of the field every morning. Now got used means now he was habitual. Got used means now he was habitual to see the wolf at the edge of the field every morning, that he began to actually look forward to the wolf's presence. Now look forward means now he was liking to see the wolf in the field every day, because the wolf was not harming to his flock of sheep, and Tim was thinking he was not a harmful animal, and he was not harming his sheep. That way he was not afraid of the wolf. The wolf, who generally means normally, sat on the large piece of rock. You can see in the picture, the wolf every day sat on the large piece of rock, looked like a big sheepdog from far away. He looked from the far away. If anybody will saw, then he will look like a sheepdog who protect. Sheepdog means who protect the flock of sheep. So in fact, Tim thought that other wild animal or mischief makers would be scared of the wolf presence and not harm his flock while it was around him. Even now, Tim was thinking, if the wolf will sit near the flock, then any other harmful animal will not harm to his flock. So he was not afraid from the wolf anymore now. Day by day, he began to feel more and more relaxed in the presence of the wolf. Now he was relaxed. You can see in the picture, wolf was sitting on the rock, and Tim is sleeping, because now he was relaxed. He has confidence that the wolf will not harm to his flock anymore, because from many days the wolf was coming in the field and watching to his flock, and it was not harming to his flock. That's why Tim trust on the fox, that on the wolf, that it would not harm his flock of sheep. Now he also